We are going out now. I'll try to take few clips there. Now, as usual, I'm taking my mask. It's on my left wrist. As soon as I get into the cab, I'm going to wear that mask. Not at home. And that day I was telling you, I got one shopping bag from my commercial street. So this is the bag which I got. It's very cheap actually. So just for vegetables, So this is the bag. Very cheap. 150 rupees. Anyway, so we didn't buy anything that day. Just wanted to see the commercial street because I've just arrived in Bangalore, so not seen many places in that way. So just wanting to explore. My husband was dead against it. He said, no going to crowded place. But I said, no, let's go just one day. That's how we went. But today we are going to a different place. Different place means there's one nearby restaurant over here which is giving 30% off on food. So just trying to be there and, see what kind of food. And if I can manage to get those recipes from the chef, I'll try to make them at home. But they're very clever. They will not tell me. They will not share with me the recipes. So, yeah, that's why we are going. Because the 30% to 40% discount on weekdays. It's Barbecue Nations. So, I'm not going to show you the food because that I'll never do. But I'll show you the restaurant. This Barbecue Nations in Park Street is amazing, it's excellent. Barbecue Nations over here, I don't know, I have no idea. But since this is a pandemic period, no one is going, much. So they are going discount, but not on Saturdays and Sundays. Okay, so I'll meet you there. Finally, we are in the cab. Now heading towards that place. Quite hot outside, it's very sunny. It's almost 1 o'clock. It's only 20 minutes from my place. So, the roads are busy. This is the place we have come. I think you can see this one. Finally, we reached the place. It's 15 past 1. So, now heading towards it. But I'm not going to shoot inside because I feel very embarrassed and people, keep on staring at you. So, okay, I'll tell you later. I have to take the escalator. It's all empty. It's inside the mall actually. All empty. No one is there. Probably we will be the only ones. Who will come now? First of all, pandemic. Secondly, it's weekday. So, it's all empty, see? Far back, you can see my husband and my daughter going, that's all. No one. I feel embarrassed also to come and sit here alone and, in such a big restaurant and have your food all by yourself. That's why they're giving discount. So we needed to avail this facility also. finally done. So we are heading home now. Finally we reached home. The deal was actually very good. But the ambience inside wasn't so good. Calcutta's one was really good, really good. But yeah, what I expected that there will be no people, but quite a lot of people were there. As I told you that I wouldn't be, shooting inside, but I couldn't control my resistance. I thought, no, let me take a clip, short one. So I took the clip. I'll put it in the video. I thought I wouldn't, but ultimately I took it. So in Bangalore, the cases are rising like anything. We are really scared, Last year, if you remember, in March, April, in the Western world, the cases were, surging like anything. People were dying. Oh my goodness, it was so scary. But at that point of time, India's cases were very low. Just in the next year, what happened? Their cases came down, especially the United States. And even in Western European countries, their cases have come down. And in India, the cases are rising. All are scared, but what to do? People have to go for work. You cannot help it, isn't it? You have to go out. I mean, going to a restaurant and all those things, you can, of course, delete from your life for a year or two. Actually, we were not planning to go. This was a deal. So from the internet, we just found out that Barbecue Nations is holding a deal, 30, 35%, 40% discount. So we thought, let's go and see how it is. That's how we ended up. Otherwise, we don't go to restaurant very much. Most of the time, we eat at home only. So, okay. So, I'm ending my video. Do like, share and comment and subscribe if you like it. Bye. See you in my next video with the next something unique, something new, travel vlog or recipe. Let's see. I have to find out, Okay, bye. I will make paneer lababdar. Now for this I need 600 grams of paneer. Now these packets each is 200 grams. Okay. So yeah, all of them I might need. Let's see. And the ingredients, of course, these are, I have to make a paste of it. Now 2 onion, 2 tomatoes, few garlic cloves. I'm not going to use a whole lot of this. Just few, maybe 5-6 cloves, and ginger and few cashew nuts, 6-7. These are all broken cashew nuts. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop this and this, of course, and I'm going to saute this in my wok along with the ginger and garlic and cashew nuts, and then I'm going to make a fine paste with this. Now apart from this, I also need quite a few dry spices, which I'm going to tell you later on. So I have taken all these according to the quantity of paneer I have. So you have to adjust the quantity of these ingredients according to the paneer or whatever you have. So I have got 600 grams of paneer. So I have taken 2 onion, 2 tomato, few garlic cloves from here, little bit of ginger and few cashew nuts. This I have to make a paste. After sorting them, I need to saute this first. My wok is already hot. Now in this I'm going to give some few dry spices, I'm going to tell you cumin seeds, peppercorn, bay leaf, 2 green chilies, cinnamon and cardamom. Now let this crackle first, and then I'm going to add my onion. Now onion will take a little time to get softened. So when it's done, then I'm going to put my ginger garlic and tomato, and let me put the cashew nut as well over here so that it gets fried a little bit, and then I'm going to blend this along with the tomato. Now as you know, I'm going to make paneer lababdar. Do you have any idea what lababdar means? It's a kind, lababdar means you Surrender to the taste. It is so tasty and awesome and delicious that you surrender to its taste. That is why it is called lababdar. Anyway, so paneer lababdar, as I have already said, all the things I have done. Now this wok is hot. Now I'm going to put a little bit of vegetable oil, not much. Now after this, I'm going to put a little bit of butter. Now this is a must. It will be on the richer side, I can't help it. Let the butter melt for some time. And then I'm going to add this paste. Onion, ginger, garlic, tomato and whatever, red chili, cashew nut, all the paste I have made. After sauteing this I'm going to put it over here. And I need to saute it for at least 1 minute. Although it is already sauteed, I don't need to saute more, but still. After sauteing this, it will take some time. Then I'm going to add these dry spices. Now dry spices, I'm going to tell you, this is salt according to the quantity I've taken, a little bit of sugar pinch. This is coriander seeds powder. This is dry fenugreek leaves. Then garam masala, turmeric powder and cumin powder. Cumin powder is less in quantity than the coriander seeds powder. Garam masala also I've taken very less because the garam masala, all those cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaf already there in this paste. So I've taken a little bit. Salt and sugar according to your taste. If you want it to be a little on the sweeter side, put more sugar. I don't want sweet things. So I've taken just a pinch of it. So these are the dry things. But I'm going to add this only when this paste gets fried. The paste is already fried. Now I'm going to add these dry spices all together and then again I need to fry it. This will again take another 30 seconds, 40 seconds. Boring job. Okay, now this is my paneer. 200 grams each, 600 grams. Now why I'm making 600 grams? Because today I have invited guests. So they will be coming for lunch today. That is why I'm making. They are vegetarians, so I have to make paneer. They don't take lunch, chicken, even egg also they don't take. So I'm making this paneer lababdar along with 2 other dishes. So this needs to be fried again for 30 seconds. Patience, time, energy required. You have to just toss and turn the spices. That's all. All the wet spices and dry spices have already been sauteed. I have to wait till the oil, releases. Okay, now at this point, I'm going to do one thing. That is, of course, I have to put a little bit of water. And then I'm going to add my paneer cubes, which I've already cut them into quite a big chunks. And then this, of course, these paneer pieces need to be coated along with the spices. Paneer doesn't need. Now paneer, if you want to fry it, you can fry it, but I don't fry it because it gets rubbery. So I don't fry it, but if you want to fry it, you can fry it with a little bit of turmeric. Now at this point, I'm going to do another thing, which is very important. Otherwise, lababdar will not be done. This is one slice, I kept it aside. This I need to grate it on this. Quite a lot you have to put. It will be very rich. And then I have to add again fresh cream. But once in a while it's okay. Guests are coming. I generally don't make so rich food at home. We take very simple food. Yesterday we went to that lunch. It It was very good. The deal was very good. You should all avail these facilities. Now at this point, the restaurants are giving, big offers, 30%, 40% offer on food because no one is going during this pandemic. I think this much is enough. This I'm going to cut it and give it over here again. And then I'm going to toss and turn. And this paneer needs to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And then paneer lababdar is done. So if you like my recipe, you know what needs to be done. Like, share and comment and subscribe. Till then, bye. I'm going to see you in my next video with a new recipe or something new. Any travel vlog or something of that. Bye. Stay healthy, stay safe. At this point, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add my fresh cream, which I forgot to tell you. Now, I already put chopped coriander leaves. Now, this is the fresh cream I need to add. A little bit maybe. Yeah, not much. So now it needs to cook for another 30 seconds. And this lababdar paneer or paneer lababdar will be done.